In this video, I will be comparing AutoDS and Zendrop, two popular dropshipping tools, and help you decide which one fits your business needs better. One major difference between them is platform flexibility. Zendrop is limited to connecting only with Shopify. AutoDS, however, allows you to connect with multiple platforms like Shopify, Facebook Marketplace, Etsy, WooCommerce, TikTok Shop, Wix, Amazon, and eBay, giving you more options to expand your store. Both platforms offer product research tools and marketplaces to find winning products. However, AutoDS features a cleaner, more professional user interface, making it easier to navigate and manage your listings. In AutoDS, you can also view and import products from a variety of external suppliers, while Zendrop's supplier options are more limited. Zendrop offers a free plan, but to access premium features like product requests, you must upgrade to a paid plan starting at $79 per month. On the other hand, AutoDS requires a paid plan from the start to access its full features, but the plans come with greater functionality, including automation for price monitoring, stock updates, and AI product optimization. In conclusion, if you are looking for a free entry level tool, Zendrop can be a good starting point. However, if you want better features, wider platform support, and a more professional system, AutoDS is definitely the better choice. So that's it for the comparison today. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.